Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to glam up your bottle into a super cute Grinch theme. So I'm going to start off with some neon glitter. It's super fine glitter. I got this at Walmart in a neon green. I also have some Mod Podge and a brush to apply the Mod Podge. I rather use these brushes, guys, over these sponge brushes. These are also good and super cheap. I got the blue brush at Michael's. It came in a $5 pack with literally like over 30 brushes. And this is the one I do like to use when I am applying Mod Podge onto bottles. So I am going to go ahead and pour some Mod Podge onto a plate because when I am applying it to the bottle, I do not want it to get mixed up with the glitter in my actual Mod Podge container. So I'm going to start applying the Mod Podge onto the bottle, adding a clear layer of the Mod Podge onto the bottle. You do not want it so thick, just a nice clear coat so it can soak up the glitter. So I'm going to do half the bottle at a time so the Mod Podge does not dry up. And I'm going to go ahead and apply the glitter. I am doing this over a white sheet of paper, so once I am done, the excess glitter will fall onto the sheet and I can add it back to my container. So tap off that excess glitter. This is how it's going to look so far. I'm going to go ahead and do that back side now. Doing the same thing, applying the Mod Podge, one nice thin layer, and then applying the glitter. Do not worry about it being white, it does dry clear. And when you are applying the Mod Podge very closely to the glitter, like right here, just be very careful. You know, you don't want to dab too much to that glitter. Just get as close as you can so you avoid lifting that glitter because it is still fresh. So pour that glitter over the paper so you can collect as much as you can and you can reuse it. So as you guys can see, there is some spots where there was no glitter, but that's fine, guys. Do not worry about it. Do not panic. This is barely the first layer. I am going to do this 2 more times, okay, so it can get a full coverage over the whole bottle. And then put that to the side to dry. It does take about 20 to 30 minutes each layer to dry. And then right here, you guys are going to see me collect that glitter and pour it back into the container. So you guys don't waste that glitter, reuse it. So this is how the bottle looks after it is completely dry. This was the first layer. I'm going to go ahead and do the same exact thing I did. Apply one layer of that Mod Podge over this green glitter that is already dry. And I'm going to do half of the bottle at a time and apply that glitter once again. So if you are wondering why I do one half of the bottle at a time, is because I don't want the Mod Podge to start, drying on me while I am applying more Mod Podge on the bottle, So you do want to apply that glitter while the Mod Podge is fresh. That's why I'm doing half of the bottle at a time. Same procedure, applying that thin layer of the Mod Podge and then applying the glitter. So like I had told you guys, do not worry about any spots that did not get full coverage. because like I said, I'm gonna do this 3 times in total. You are gonna be able to get glitter over those empty spots. So right here you see me pouring the glitter once again. Remember to have your white sheet of paper at the bottom so you can collect that glitter and use it again. So this is why I was telling you guys I like this brush to apply the Mod Podge. It gives me that nice clean cut edge to get into those areas where, you know, the spongy brush is not gonna, you know, go in as well because it is spongy, you know. I just like to use these brushes over the spongy ones. And like I said, it did cost me like literally, it was in a pack of $5. So I do use that pack a lot. It comes with a lot of different brushes at Michael's, guys. So this is my second layer. I'm gonna tap off that excess glitter, and this little brush did come in that $5 pack I was telling you guys about also, that I like to use to dust off that excess glitter, also whatever gets stuck on the labels. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this completely dry once again. Like I told you guys, it does take 20 to 30 minutes to dry. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the side. And this is how it looks after 3 coats of that Mod Podge and glitter, guys. I'm going to go ahead and tap off any more excess glitter once it is dry. You guys see me tapping it everywhere because it is dry. And now I'm going to go ahead and apply just a coat of the Mod Podge to seal in that glitter. So, you know, when I'm holding the bottle, there's no glitter left on my hands. This is just gonna seal in the glitter, just one layer of Mod Podge. Again, 20 to 30 minutes to dry. And I am going to do 2 coats of this. So once this coat of Mod Podge, just Mod Podge, is done drying, I'm gonna go ahead and do one more coat of just the Mod Podge, making it 2 coats of just Mod Podge to seal in the glitter. This is how the bottle is going to look with just 1 coat of that Mod Podge. And this is how the bottle looks after 2 coats of just that Mod Podge. So now I'm going to go ahead and apply my Grinch face vinyl onto the back, because since the label's in the front, that's why I am doing this on the back. And I know the vinyl is going to give you guys a little bit of trouble to stick on, guys. It does give me a little bit of trouble because it is not that much of a flat, you know, surface. It is bumpy and the vinyl can't really attach to it, you know, unless you have some help. I did pull on the vinyl with my finger, holding it while I pulled off, you know, the sticker part where the vinyl was on. Or you guys can use, you know, a little pointy tool or something to push that vinyl against the bottle, and just, you know, keep removing the sticky layer so it does not, you know, pull on your vinyl that's already on the bottle, you know. That's why you guys see me cut off that top area, and as I apply more of the vinyl, you guys are going to see me cut more of it off too. You guys see how I hold it with my finger and guide it as I go. So this is how the Grinch face is looking so far. Like I said, the vinyl is a little bit technical, to apply, but just have some patience, you know, hold on to it with your finger or a pickup tool, and it should be pretty simple from that. So this is how it looks. Now I'm going to go ahead and start applying some more Mod Podge onto the eyeballs, where I'm going to be adding some fine gold glitter. I am using a toothpick, so it's easier to apply because it is a very, very small area. I'm very careful to make sure I do not apply the Mod Podge over the vinyl, because since I am going to be applying the glitter, I don't want it to cover those areas. So I'm going to go ahead and apply that glitter and then remove any excess glitter using my little dust off brush. And a clean toothpick to go over those small areas where the vinyl is at, so you can clearly see the rest of the eyes. Be very careful, you do not want to ruin the Mod Podge because it is fresh. You can also do this twice if you want to, but remember the Mod Podge does need to dry in between coats, so about 20 to 30 minutes each. This is how it looks after I am done. Now that those gold eyes are done drying, I am going to go in with a thin layer of the Mod Podge over the vinyl and those glitter eyes, just to completely seal it in onto the bottle. I am just damping the Mod Podge over the vinyl very gently, guys. You guys see it's a very thin layer. I am just damping it around because I do want it to blend with the rest of the bottle. You guys can do 2 coats of this if you would like, but remember, let them completely dry in between. So this is how the bottle came out. I do have these little glitter foam stickers. I'm going to go ahead and apply one on the side to give it more of a little grinchy look. You can apply some glue with that because the foam sticker did fall off, so I did add some E6000 just to make sure it's sealed in. And then I do have this little Santa hat that I did apply at the end, guys, to give it even more of a grinchy look. So these are my final results, guys. Look how cute the bottle came out. Super cute. This is a super easy DIY. You can use it without the hat also and just leave it like this. It still looks super cute. This is a super easy DIY, guys, to do, on Christmas with the fam, with the kiddos, or to make it a decor around the house, or to even give it as a gift. Super cute, guys. I love how it came out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you learned a little something. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.